In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PlayStation 3 controller charging port. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the controller port on your PlayStation 3 and what options you have regarding how damaged it is. So first, if you believe that it is functional and it is just a bit dirty, then all that you have to do is clear it thoroughly. You can use maybe an old toothbrush or whatever you can to get any dust or debris off of the port, and by doing this and cleaning it thoroughly, you will be able to use it again as if it was brand new. However, if you notice that it is too damaged and too busted, like this example here, then most of the time it isn't going to be worth to get it fixed, because at this point you would have to replace it altogether. I'm still going to talk about what you have to do. However, for simple fixes, besides just cleaning it, check the cables. Oftentimes, the cable can be a difference maker. So if you believe that the problem is attributed to the cable and not the charging port, just swap out the cable that you are using and see if a new quality cable gets this fixed. If it does, then you just had to switch the cable and not the port. However, if you notice that even after going through multiple cables, the problem is indeed attributed to the port, then you will have to consider removing and then replacing it. This can only be achieved by resoldering it. So you will need to desolder the old one, and after you acquire a new mini USB port, you will have to solder it back again. This is a complicated process that I cannot go over fully in this video, and especially if you have never soldered before. At this point, you have to consider repairing it yourself, taking it to a repair shop, or the absolute truth, just to replace the controller. If the cost of repair, meaning getting a new port and taking it to a repair shop, is too high, oftentimes it is better to just get a new controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix PlayStation 3 controller charging port. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.